everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you can make your first few sales on your online store. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please continue watching. In this video I'm going to give you some advice on how you can make your first few sales, and this is so important. I know before I even launched my online store, like I was researching, trying to figure out the best ways to get customers to get onto your website and stuff like that. So I know that a lot of people are interested in this topic. Even though I did go to school for fashion business management, you definitely don't need to go to school to be successful with an online store. So that's another thing. Like, I know I learned so much stuff, but there's so many things that I don't even remember, to be honest. But anyways, now I'm gonna start with the first tip. So I think that way before you even have your website launched, you should have like a Facebook and Instagram page, or even like a Pinterest, Twitter. Like, set up all of your social media accounts and try to build a following. Give people an idea of what products you'll be selling and what they'll look like. If there's anything like photo shoots or like unboxings that you could do on the Instagram or on the Facebook page, I think it's something that you definitely should do, because it'll get people interested and people will start following your brand before your store even launches. And that goes into my first tip, which is to send out mass emails to people who have submitted their emails. So on your social media platform, I think you should definitely let people know about your website and have them submit their email, or submit their email to your newsletter, so that once you're launched, you could send them a mass email, and then you could send them like a discount code that they could use to get like 10-15% off their first purchase. Usually when people see that they're able to save money, they're more likely to go ahead and purchase from you. So the second tip that I have is like pretty obvious, which is let your friends and family know about the online store that you're launching, and let them know about the products that you'll have. Most likely they'll be willing to support you. They wouldn't have a problem supporting you and being one of the first people to like purchase from you when you launch your store. Using Facebook ads really do help bring exposure to your brand as well. So I think that you should definitely set up a Facebook business page and like have some ads running so that people could see what your brand is about. But honestly, I feel like Facebook ads, they can be kind of tricky. Like, I haven't mastered it yet. I feel like it's kind of hard getting your target audience to see your posts. So that's definitely something that I know I need to work on. And the last tip that I have is to use influencer marketing. So definitely try to send out your products to different influencers, or even if you don't have money to like waste like that, have your friends take photos in the clothing or with the product so that they could let their friends see it, and then other people will become interested in your products that way. You could also let customers know that for the first like 10 or 20 orders, you'll put in a free gift with their order, so that will make people become more interested. I know when I go to the store and they're saying like, oh, free gift with purchase, I'm like, okay, I'm definitely spending that $70. Yeah, so those are the main tips that helped for me. I really wish you guys the best of luck with launching your online store. I'll link my online store down below as always. In each and every one of my videos, I link my online store down below, so you could go ahead and check it out if you want any like ideas. Like, I personally use Shopify to build my website, and I feel like Shopify is definitely like reliable. So yeah, I hope that these tips help you, and I definitely will say just stay consistent and really work towards trying to bring exposure to your brand. You'll definitely get the results that you're looking for. Just don't give up too soon. You're not going to see the results within like a week, 2 weeks, maybe not a month or 2 months, but later on down the line, like as long as you keep working at it, you'll definitely see the results that you're looking for. And also, do not be discouraged if you don't make sales on the first day that you launch your online store. So just make sure that you stay positive about your business and make sure that you're handling everything the way you're supposed to, and you'll definitely see the results that you're looking for. Please give this video a thumbs up if it did help you. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I do upload videos. I'm gonna start uploading more business related videos because I can see that you guys enjoy that. I noticed that the how to start a boutique video is actually getting a lot of views, and a lot of people are saying that the video is helping them. So I definitely want to make sure that I continue making these business related videos, especially as a small business. And also, if you guys want to go ahead and check out my online store, I'll leave a link to the Instagram down below also, and comment YouTube fam, I'll definitely follow back and check out your Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next video.